to block all of the notifications except for the Teams and meeting invites in your Microsoft Teams application or account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can mute all of the notifications except for the meeting. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to these three dots at the top right corner of your Teams interface. Now from here you can click onto the settings option to launch the settings page, or alternatively you may also choose to press the control and the comma key. Now within the settings you will see this option that says notification and activity. So simply go to notification and activity, and from here you will see under general the first option that says mute all notifications except for calls and meetings. All you will need to do is simply enable this toggle, and you will see the confirmation here which says your notifications are muted except for calls and meetings. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.